Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Vaishnavi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of CSE AI. Today in this video, I will be discussing about File Transfer Protocol (FTP) in computer networks. Introduction to FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, a standard network protocol used for transferring of files. It operates over the internet and it's a part of TCP and IP suite. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. IP means Internet Protocol. FTP enables user to upload and download the files to and from the remote server. History of FTP. FTP was developed in early 90s by Abe Bushin. It was standardized as RFC 959 in 1985. Over the years, FTP has evolved to support various features and enhancements. How FTP works. FTP uses a client-server model for a file transfer. A client initiates a connection to an FTP server to access the files. Data is transferred over two channels, a command channel and a data channel. FTP modes. FTP operates in two modes, active mode and a passive mode. In active mode, a client opens a port for a data transfer while the server connects to it. In passive mode, the server opens a port and a client connects to it for a data transfer. FTP commands. FTP uses a set of commands for a communication between client and server. Common commands include user, pass, list, return, and store. These commands enable the actions like logging in, listing files, and uploading or downloading of files. FTP authentication. FTP typically requires a username and a password for access. Anonymous FTP allows the user to log in without the credentials, often for public files. Secure alternatives like FTPS and STFPT enhances the security during the file transfers. FTP security issues. Standard FTP transmits the data, including the credentials, in a plain text. This makes it vulnerable to eavesdropping and man-in-the-middle attacks. Using a secure variants is essential for protecting the sensitive information. FTP client software. Various FTP client software options are available for different operating systems. Popular client includes like FileZilla, WinSCP, and CyberDuck. These clients provide a user-friendly interfaces for managing a file transfers. FTP server software. FTP servers can be sent up using a software like VSFTPD, ProFTPD, and FileZilla server. These servers manage the incoming FTP request and facilitates the file storage. Proper configuration is essential for security and a performance. FTP in web development. FTP is commonly used in web development for transferring a website's files. Developers use the FTP to upload the updates and manage the website contents. It is a vital tool for maintaining and deploying the web applications. FTP usage scenarios. FTP is widely used for a software distribution, allowing users to download the applications. Organizations often use the FTP for backup and achievable purpose. It is also employed in a data migration between the systems. FTP protocol structure. The FTP protocol is structured around a series of command response interactions. Each command issued by a client receives a response from the server. This structure ensures the reliable communication during the file transfers. Error handling in FTP. FTP includes a set of responses codes. to indicate the status of the commands. Common response codes include 200 means OK, 550 means file not found, and 421 means server not available. Understanding these codes is crucial for troubleshooting FTP issues. File transfer types. FTP, both binary and SCI files transfers will be supported. Binary transfers are used for non-text files like images and executables. ASCII transfers are suited for text files, ensuring the proper character encoding. Limitations of FTP. FTP does not natively support the file compression or encryption. Bandwidth limitations can affect the speed of the file transfer. Firewall configurations may impair FTP connections, especially in active mode. A www browser can be used to FTP instead of dedicated interface. The browser uses FTP as a transfer protocol when a URL starts with FTP instead of HTTP. Future of FTP. The need of secure file transfer method is driving the evolution of FTP. Enhanced features and protocols will likely emerge to address the security concerns. FTP will continue to be relevant in specific scenarios but may be overshadowed by more secure options. Conclusion. FTP remains a foundational protocol for a file transfer in computer networks. Understanding its operations, security issues, and alternatives is essential for users. As technology evolves, adapting to secure file transfer methods will be critical. Transfer file to or from the remote host, client server model, client site that initiates transfer, like either to or from the remote. Server means the remote host. FTP can be RFC 959 or FTP server can be port 21. This is all about the file transfer protocol FTP in computer networks. Thank you.